recruit, recruit,
recruit, recruit, recruit, recruitment, recruit.
To try to persuade someone to work for a company or to join an organization.
Secondly, the coach driver was quite a rude person and, as far as I am concerned, it would be a good idea to pay more attention when recruiting your staff. Bright, 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 brightly.
To find good things in a bad situation.
Look on the bright side, no one was badly hurt.
dedicate, dedicate,
Dedicate, dedicate, dedication, dedicate, dedicated.
To give most of your energy and time to something.
She has dedicated her life to helping others. Say, say, said, said.
To think something but not speak.
I hope she likes me, he said to himself.
Used to say that something seems like a good idea but it would be difficult to do.
I want to ask her out, but it's easier said than done.
Used to emphasize that you could have said something in a much stronger way.
We were surprised, to say the least.
As you would expect.
Needless to say, it rained the whole time we were there.
If it is safe to say something, you are sure it is correct.
I think it's safe to say that he'll be the next president.
Drastic, drastic,
drastic, drastic,
Drastic, drastically.
Severe and sudden or having very noticeable effects.
Drastic measures. Sensitivity, 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 sensitive, insensitive.
The ability to understand how other people are feeling and to be helpful and kind to them.
The police showed great sensitivity in their handling of the case.
The quality of being easily upset by things that people say or do.
I should have warned you about her sensitivity to criticism.
Customary, customary,
Custom, customary.
Normal or expected for a particular person, situation, or society.
It is customary for the chairman to make the opening speech. Horizon, 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 horizontal.
To increase the number of things that you know about, have experienced, or can do.
Traveling certainly broadens your horizons.
Likely to happen soon.
Economic recovery is on the horizon. Straw, straw.
The long, dried stems of plants such as wheat, often given to animals for sleeping on and eating, the last in a series of unpleasant events which finally makes you stop accepting a bad situation.
A straw basket or hat. Straw-colored hair. Last week he came home drunk at 5 in the morning, and that was the final straw.
root, root,
root, root,
The cause of something, usually something bad.
We must get to the root of this problem. Money is said to be the root of all evil. Disadvantaged, disadvantaged, advantage, disadvantage, disadvantaged.
Disadvantaged people are poor and do not have many opportunities.
Economically disadvantaged children.
workshop, workshop,
workshop, workshop.
When a group of people meet to learn more about something by discussing it and doing practical exercises.
A workshop on crime prevention. Narrow-minded, narrow-minded.
Not willing to accept new ideas or opinions different from your own.
My family are very narrow-minded. Interest, 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 interested, interesting, uninterested, uninteresting, interestingly.
Money which is charged by a bank or other financial organization for borrowing money.
Interest charges on an overdraft are usually quite high.
Money that you earn from keeping your money in an account in a bank or other financial organization.
You should put the money in a savings account where it will earn interest.
To help someone and give them an advantage.
It may not be in your interests to change jobs so soon. Well-educated, well-educated.
Having had a good education.
We have some very well-educated employees in the department. Most of our employees are pretty well educated.